Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I am playing class 4 or English or jatiya vidyalaya lesson 12 our ancestor question answer or activity bila. So, deno kori aha start koru. To prathom ki ase answer the following questions and complete sentences. Sampurna baikot uttor likha. Prathom question ki koise where did Jarna and her father go? Jarna aru tar deutak kole gosil. Uttor ki hobo Jarna and her father go ঠাইত কি হ'ব went to the zoo চিৰিয়াখানালৈ গৈছিল second how was the environment inside the zoo জুখনৰ ভিতৰৰ এনভায়ৰনমেণ্টটো কেনেকুৱা আছিল the environment inside the zoo was nature friendly বহুত ভাল আছিল nature friendly আছিল next question সাইডে লিখি দিছো তোমাকে লিখি যাব পাৰিবা what are the two chimpanzees doing দুটা চিম্পাঞ্জী কি কৰিছিল এটো মই ইয়াতে কিতাপতে চিন মাৰি দিছো one chimpanzee was swinging while the other one was pushing the swing eto page number hoise kiman 72 line hetu line first second third fourth line answer next question who were our ancestor kon asil the chimpanzees are our ancestor gotike prothome ekon hobo tar pisot ekon where did primitive people live primitive people kot asil the primitive people lived in the jungles গটিকে গুটে কিতাপৰ সাইডে লিখি দিছো তোমাকে নোট ডাউন কৰি লবা to write whether the following sentence ইয়াত কি কৈছে true or false লিখিব দিছে the visitors gave some banana to the chimpanzee visitor বিলাকে chimpanzee কি দিছিল কিছুমান banana দিছিল এটো কি হয় false the primitive people live in villages primitive people ক'ত বাস কৰিছে jungles গটিকে এটো কি হয় false the primitive people stayed in the same place to gather food একেলগে থাকিলৈ পেলাই সিহঁতে কি কৰিছে food gather কৰিছিল এটো false Intelligence and the ability to think has made human beings different from other animals. Intelligence and ability to manhor ki kore manu bilak je animals ke different hetu praman kore gotike etu ki hoy true the primitive people are fruits hunted animals and caught fishes for their fruit etu ki hoy true next ahe ki activity 1 activity 1 ki kase fill in the blanks the correct degree of adjective given in bracket bhitor dia pa adjective hini correct koribo dise Mina is dumb bracket ki ase clever gotike uttor to ki hobo cleverest est lagibo Digonta is not ki ase strong gotike s ase dike ami ki ligim same ji shobdo ase hetu mane strong The elephant is the big ase gotike biggest terrestrial animal Nilam is ki ase then gotike same lagibo beautiful This book is most lagibo agot tar pisot lagibo interesting of all these three books The girl is not so as thakile ki lage jeta kabak kiba compare kore jeta same junto thake hetu word e hoy mane hobo smart gotike next activity to ki dise yat ekhon writing activity dise karbar birthday ase birthday celebrate koribo amak invite koribo leba birthday celebration to kane gotike naam eta dhori lo tumake jigun naam likhibo para their pari My birthday is on to my birthday to 19 November ase we are going to throw a party at our home ami ghota party koribo bisaisu 5ta bajat tumak invite korisu party tole please come along with your brother dadar logot ahiba hope to see you then gotike to date ki koribo 4 din ba 5 dinor agot likhibo lagot last ot tumar naam to likhi diba gotike azile video to imani asil agole site ke bokane please like or subscribe koribo na pahaiba thank you